Hello everyone. As we all know, exams are near and many students are super worried about that. Most of the students have started studying for hours and hours in order to complete the syllabus as soon as possible. But you know what? Majority of the students study 4 to 5 hours during the exam, but still they are not able to complete a single chapter effectively, which is not good for them if they wish to ace the exam. So, to help such students today in this video, we are going to give you 5 tips on how you can complete one whole chapter in 1 hour. Trust us, after implementing these tips in your life, you will be able to study more in less time. So, don't take the risk of skipping this video in between. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Skim through it. Most of the students directly jump to studying before even knowing what's inside the chapter. Due to that, they waste a lot of time and they fail to retain the information till the exam. So, if you really wish to complete one chapter in 1 hour, then before studying, take 5 minutes out and quickly go through the chapter and skim through the important points. Doing this will give you a clarity of what you are going to study and will also help you to grasp the information quickly. Also, don't forget to highlight important points in the notes. This will help you during your revisions. Tip number 2. Start with easy. Many students start difficult questions directly. Due to that, after a few minutes they get bored and their productivity level decreases. So, whenever you start studying, start with the simple concepts. Channel your concentration and energy for 10 minutes and try to complete all the easy concepts of the topic in that time frame. Trust us, if you complete this, you will be more confident and motivated to complete the remaining questions. Also, if possible, try writing down or highlighting the important points from the questions because writing can help you in a long-term retention of knowledge. Tip number 3. Celebrate your first milestone. Once you clear the easy concepts, take a break of 5 minutes. But don't spend those 5 minutes doing useless things like using social media, watching TV or talking to a friend. Instead, spend this time on glancing at what is left and what you have learned in the past 15 to 20 minutes. You can also reward yourself for completing the first milestone. Rewarding means giving yourself a cookie or whatever you like. This will increase your motivation and your mind will get prepared for the next milestone. Tip number 4. Start with the tough part. After the break, you will be more motivated and you will be refreshed. So, use this time and start the complex concepts and make a decision that you will complete the rest of the chapter in the next 20 to 25 minutes. While studying the tough concepts, focus and read each line in detail and highlight the important points. Then, convert the subtopics into questions and then make pointer sentences. This will help you to learn the information quickly. You can also make bullet points for effective studying. Trust us, if you do all the things we have told you in this point, you will be able to complete the remaining chapter in 20 to 25 minutes. Tip number 5. Again, skim through it. After completion of the topic, don't get overconfident and close the book. Instead, spend the last 10 minutes revising what you have studied. So, just have a glance on what questions you have studied and also focus more on the highlighted points if you want to take a small test by asking yourself the questions. So these were the 5 tips that will help you to complete one chapter in an hour. After completion of this chapter, don't forget to revise the information after 24 hours because if you fail to revise the information, then you will forget half the information that you have studied. So try revising it after 24 hours, then after 1 week and then after 15 days. Doing this will help you in a long-term retention of knowledge. Also, if you want to know how to study during the exam period or how to cover syllabus quickly, then click on these videos. Thank you and all the best for your exams.